Let's get another piece. Here, I'll lay it in place and you push down. Push, okay? Okay. Lay it down, we'll push. Here, let me put it in place and then you can push down. Oops, it's not quite in place. There you go, good girl. Okay, bring us another piece. So there's several right over here, honey. There you go. Okay, here, we're missing a piece up here. Let's put one up here. That's the tape recorder. It's a videotape and everything. Ernie, get the Ernie piece. Okay. Okay, let's put this one in place and you can push it down, okay? Wait, let me get it right in the... Okay, now just push down. Very good. Okay, let me turn this around. Okay, now we need one there. Let's put this green one there. That way it'll be a different color. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, now you push it down. Push down this one. Push it down. Pushy, pushy. Here. Very good. Now, hold on. You lay it like this, and then now you push down. Very good. Okay, now bring me another piece. There's another piece right here beside you here. Here, honey. Here, baby. Let mommy, yeah, let's complete over here. Wait. Okay. Now, push down. Very good, very good. Okay, now. Okay, let's get some more pieces. Oh yeah, there's a piece. Thank you. Okay. Okay, push down. Very good. Let's go get another piece. Okay. Very good. You can put on the end there. Just put it up here. Okay. Very good. Okay, now there's a couple more pieces right there. Okay. Very good, okay. Okay. Push down. There you go. Very good. Now let's have one last. Two pieces over here, Max. Look by the ducky. Well, there's three pieces. Good girl. Okay. Who's that, Birdie? Oh no, Bert. You're right, Bert. Bert. Okay, let's put him down. Put him on the end here. That's a good girl. Okay. Let mommy get him just in the right place. Okay, now you push. Very good. Okay, now. Yeah, there you go. Ernie. That's right, Ernie. Okay. That's Ernie. There's Ernie, everybody. Okay. You're going to put him up front. Okay, let's slide it back then. Okay, put that on the end. Oopsie. Okay, where are you going to put it? Very good. Okay, there's one underneath Nana here. There's two underneath Nana, actually. Maze. There's three underneath there. Elmo. Okay. Here we go. Alright. There you go. Oh Lord, 5 minutes we're going for.